Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a localized schema and report on icCube, meaning you will be able to display your results and reports translated into several languages. First, integrate your data. Here I have a CSV file containing the according translations into the languages I want. For this case, I have French, Portuguese, and Russian. The sales table is the table with the measure, which is the amount of items sold. Next step, you will need to create an in-memory table translating all terms used on the schema. So here I have the translation for hierarchies, measures, etc. Then you build your dimensions. I have a geo with regions, countries, and cities. And what I need to do is add a custom property for each level and each language and select the corresponding column. Once that's done, the measures are built as usual. Here it's simply the amount. Create your facts table, and for applying the localization, you need to activate your table down here in localization. Deploy and load your schema as usual. Now, opening the reporting tool, let's create a simple report. First, a table with countries and the amount as the measure. Under settings, there are two localizations. So first is the application language, which is the language of the editor of the report. Let me change it to Russian just to show you. So for now, icCube has the editor available in English, French, and Russian. The report language is the language of the displayed data in the end report, which is one of the languages you have in your schema. As I have Portuguese as one of the languages, I can set it as the report language. My report will now automatically change into Portuguese. Let's create some text. So if you wish to add an explanation paragraph to your report, you can also define it directly here. So go under Configuration, Localization, and there you can add keys. For English, create a key and enter your desired text. Then, for having it in another language, you need to create, in French for instance, the translated text with the exact same key, which was my text. Now you have the same text in both French and English. You can therefore add your text or HTML box and add your key my text on the data definition. So now, if you set the report language in French, you will have not only the charts and filters, but also the text in the selected language. In this example, for having the report in Portuguese or Russian, you just need to create a key my text with the corresponding translated text for these two languages the same way I had created for French. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you next time.